once again. May 2021. Royal Leamington Spa Cemetery. This grave caught my eye. In memory of Edward Green Antrobus, CMG. I'm not sure what CMG stands for, but Antrobus, what a good name. And George Pollock Antrobus, OBE, son of the above, who were tragically killed during an air raid on Leamington Spa in November 1940. And Agnes, wife of Edward, had passed away earlier in February, although the Germans didn't get her. So rest in peace, Antrobuses. And I do hope that wasn't the end of the line, because that's Antrobus is too much of a cool name to have had the Germans wipe it out for us. And an OBE, they've got no respect. No respect.